everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. It is a gift unwrapping video, and I haven't done one of these in a while, mostly because I haven't gotten a whole ton of gifts over the last few months, and I was trying just to compile different gift opening videos, and then I was gonna just make one like kind of long gift opening video. So it'll be a little bit of a video compilation. There's a couple gifts that I opened on video, and then those videos ended up being on a corrupted SD card. So I no longer have those videos. So I will just have to show you guys those gifts, and then we'll get into looking at the other gifts. And if you sent me something and you don't see it in this video, or you haven't seen it in any other video before now, then maybe contact me through my email and let me know, because I might not have received whatever you've sent me. So let's just take a look at a couple of things that have been sent recently. And actually there are a couple things that were sent for my dad's bike. So a couple cool little parts for my dad's bike. So they're like dad gifts, but I still got to open them. So George's was kind, and he sent me and my dad this brand new S&S teardrop cover for my dad's shovel head. Had the filter and all the hardware and everything needed for mounting it onto the S&S Super E, and it looks pretty good on there. This bike is gonna go to my brother, and he really likes those teardrop air cleaners, and I thought that it kind of suited the rest of the bike. And then my points cover, or the points cover for my dad's bike, was sent from Rick, and Rick actually sent the same one to me for my shovel head. So they're like twins now, and yeah, it's pretty cool. That's from a newer kind of shop or thing going on. I think they build aftermarket shovel head engines called Speed and Science. Worth checking out. I haven't actually checked them out too closely yet, because I just heard of them for the first time when Rick sent me my points cover. So they're not exactly the same looking, but yeah, pretty cool. My bike's buried, or else I would show you the points cover on it right now, but I can't. And since we're down here amongst all these wonderful machines, I might as well give you guys a little bit of an update about the shop. So let me just show you guys what I've been working on recently and what I haven't been working on and what I need to be working on soon. So there's the old Yami up on the lift, and I was out here like all night to the other night till like 10 at night. So not super late, but I was out here till like 10 at night the other night working on this sucker because he was looking pretty nasty on the inside. I pulled off the cover for the magneto and all that, and the points were just disgusting. Luckily though, I have a donor motor out of that bike. So this donor motor is totally seized up, does not turn over, but the points in it looked a lot better than the points out of the other bike. So I took it apart, kind of salvaged some stuff. I know we're all excited for the Yamaha project. I'm super duper excited for it, and I'm so happy that I have two bikes to work with, because I definitely needed it, especially after seeing the way that was looking all inside of there. Look at those points. Those were nasty. And this motor, I think, even though it's seized, I think it's probably going to end up being in better shape than the other one. I don't know if the cases on this have ever been split, but the bolts all look nice. Nothing's missing, nothing's rounded off. Whereas this one, you can't really see them now, but there's some of the bolts that hold the case are missing. So obviously the case has been split before. He told me that shifter shaft was changed, so you gotta open the cases to change that. But there's bolts missing and rounded off, and just like total hack job. I think that I'm able to salvage something out of it, and thankfully I got that one for free, so I guess that's a little bit of a bright side to the whole thing. My Dyna, we will be working on that too soon. Oh my gosh, there's like so many things to work on. So the Dyna, I said in my last video I wanted to solid mount the motor, and I completely misspoke, guys. I want to put a stabilizer kit in, because anybody who knows these Dynas, they know that the whole drive chain alignment is done just with a Heim joint under the tank at the top motor mount, and these Dynas are not really well known for being good at handling, and I definitely notice it in the corners that they're not super good at handling. So the stabilizer kit is just going to make it so that my whole drivetrain and swing arm, like the whole chassis alignment thingy, isn't so flopsy. I haven't really looked into it, but my dad has, and we're gonna make a stabilizer kit for this. Just a little bit of an update, and I'm gonna be working on that Yamaha like right away here, probably today. already. But anyway, let's just check out some gifts. And then a couple other little things from Rick. He sent me this book, and this is a Harley Davidson collector's edition, like history, I think is what it is. I think it's meant to be history, Harley Davidson history. But it's pretty cool. Definitely a good little coffee table thing. And the pages are nice and thick, so I might even be able to look at this with my nephew. Thank you, Rick, for that. It's always cool having motorcycle literature to hang around the house. And then he put this in the box too, little cross necklace. So I'll hang that up somewhere. And he also had this in the box. So this is like a little tiny 12-volt LED light. So I'll have to find something to use that for, but it's definitely convenient. I'll definitely be putting that on one of the bikes. And then one of my other viewers who also has a YouTube channel sent me one of his stickers. And I actually really like this. I'm gonna make a magnet out of it. So Upchuck Chops on YouTube made himself some stickers, and that's his own art. Pretty cool. He's on YouTube and Instagram. And then another one of my viewers, Sick Bastard, did a trip to Vegas not long ago, and he went and watched the Grateful Dead in concert. So he actually sent me a t-shirt from Las Vegas and a bunch of trippy stickers and this cool pin too. So he sent me this pin, which is pretty cool. And then he sent me a whole bunch of trippy, like psychedelic stickers. Well, love the teddy bear. Pretty cool, Eric. I actually really love those. Last but not least from Eric is this t-shirt, and I love getting t-shirts. I really like this shirt, Eric. Thank you so much. Absolutely love it, and it fits me well too. So that's it for the gifts that were in the lost footage video that I don't have anymore. So unfortunately, you guys don't get to see me opening these gifts. Thank you, I love them all. So there's a couple other videos that I have of me opening some other gifts. You guys can watch those, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey everyone, I've got some presents here today, and I've actually got 3 presents right now that I'm gonna open. And I'm gonna start with the smallest and work my way up to the biggest. And the first one is from one of my biggest supporters, Dave. So thank you, Dave. It is a birthday card with the balloons. Be bright, be beautiful, be fabulous, and full of fun. Well, thank you. I do try. In other words, just another day of being you. Happy birthday, Angel. Thank you, Dave. And Dave sent me a birthday gift. Thank you, Dave. This will be going towards motorcycle insurance. Oh my gosh, that's kind of like my birthday present to myself. Every year I make sure my bike is on the road for my birthday. A lot of times it's on the road like way before my birthday, but sometimes I'm cutting it pretty close and I almost don't make it for my birthday. But this will be going towards motorcycle insurance. So thank you so much, Dave. Dave has definitely been my biggest supporter. And if it weren't for him, I wouldn't have even made it to this Forgotten Angels campout that I was just at a couple weeks ago. So thank you so much, Dave. Okay, next gift. It feels like a book. And do you guys like my little nail knife that I'm using to open everything with? Looks very interesting. A gift from John. Thank you for your help with the bolt sizes for my 75 Sporty. I know the author and I've read the book. It really relates to our lifestyle. Hope you enjoy it. From John. Thank you, John. That's so, oh my gosh. I'm so glad I could help you with your bolts. Rick Critter Davis, Baker's Dozen. Rick Critter Davis is a cartoonist who allowed himself to be drawn off course and ended up a writer / photojournalist and roving reporter who has been treated so well by so many for a long time. It has been an amazing ride full of surprises, and he has tried to soak up as much of it as he could along the way. There are so many stories of the road and those men and women who traveled down them that need to be told at risk of being lost forever. Thank you so much for this. My goodness. I'm so glad I could help you with your bolts. Like, guys, what a great community of people we have. So this is a big one. So I brought a box here from Matt. I'm so excited for this. I think there's stuff for me and my dad in here. I'm so excited to get into this box. Oh man, these are gonna be so handy. Oh yeah, those are great. That is gonna be great. Okay, what do we got here? Man, this is gonna be so handy. Thank you Thank you so much, Matt. So cool. Look at that. This is like an old tool too. And then we've got the 12-point cap screws here. Got a good number of those. Man, that's sweet. And then this is the combination square that he said he was sending me, which is also another really cool tool. So cool. I just love these old tools, guys. They have so much character. This is gonna make things so easy. My goodness. And then we've got some tweezers. These are gonna be great, man. I'm gonna be like having my neighbors come over to get their slivers removed because I'm gonna have the best tweezers on the block. And actually, I had a metal sliver not too long ago. It was just one of those ones where you just face the fact that you're not getting it out and it might just have to live in you for the rest of your life. These are the inserts, grade 5. He just went and made us a bunch of these inserts that we made in our shop with our very not machine shop equipment. Okay, so these are the 7/16 by 14 by 3/4 inch grade L9 Dyna rear pulley to hub. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. These are actually, I was at Weems's shop and he was telling me about this, about how they do this to lighten the bolts and stuff. And these are very nice. I actually really like these. I really want them on my shovel heads. And these are 7/16 by 14 by 1.5 L9 for FXFL. Sprocket to hub. Okay, and these are some more inserts. 7/16 by 14 grade 5. Shovel head exhaust stud repair. Thank you! Anchor lube. Well, this is like special stuff, guys. I need to smell it. Oh, it smells good. It probably does not taste good, but it definitely smells good. It almost is like hair conditioner. All right, now we're getting into some of the sweet treats. Milk chocolate covered pretzel rolls. What is this? Milk chocolate peanut butter pretzel rolls. I'm definitely eating one of these right now. Don't mind me. Those are really good. Bigelow tea. Ooh, Earl Grey. Ooh, black tea. Did I tell you I like black teas? Thank you, man. Tea is always a really good gift too because it's one of those things that you always have to buy. All right, what else have we got here? Box inside of a box. Oh, what? Jelly Bellies. Did I like say somewhere in my videos somewhere that I love candy? Swedish fish. It looks like these are all red Swedish fish. Do you guys have like the mixed colors of Swedish fish in the US? Okay, what else? We've got another box inside of a box. Oh, this is the jam. Oh my goodness. I want to open this so badly. I want to open this right now and just have a spoonful of it, but you did not send a spoon, so I'll have to wait till I go upstairs. Okay, and another box inside of a box. Oh, hey! Chocolate Easter bunny and a chocolate Easter cross. I think that's the first time I've seen an Easter chocolate cross. And even more fancier jelly beans. Thank you so much, Matt. And thank you so much, John, for the book. I'm so excited to read that book. And thank you very much, Dave. Just in time for my birthday, you guys. Thank you all so much. I love you all. Dave, thank you so much for remembering my birthday. Not very many people do. Anyway, thank you everybody so much for this round of gifts. I'm going to go upstairs and satisfy my sweet tooth. Thank you everybody. I'll see you soon. I got a couple more presents here. I'm gonna open them. This one is from Sean. Oops. Oh, Sean's got a YouTube channel. NC Bikers and Music YouTube channel. Thank you, Sean. Awesome. And a shirt. I love shirts. I think this is from his local Harley. Oh no, it's one of his shirts. Sweet. Awesome. Thanks, Sean. That's awesome. Thank you. Soft too. Okay, and this one is from Greg. He sent me a replacement, so I've got an extra one now. Thanks, Greg. That's so thoughtful of you. Oh, nice. Oh, sweet. Dude, look at it. That is so awesome, Greg. That's so awesome. Oh, neat. Shovel heads rule. I'm guessing one for me and one for my dad of each. That's so cool. Thank you, Greg. Oh, and another patch. Sweet. The iconic Harley Davidson patch. I'm gonna have to make a patch blanket or something like that. Thank you. Thanks, Greg. Thanks, Sean. Okay, so while I was working on editing this video, I had 2 more things show up in the mail. So I'm gonna quickly open those and then I'll get back to editing. I'm gonna open the big one first. Oh, I got some stickers. And this is from Rattletrap. He sent me stuff before. This one is for my Dinah. Check it out. A rack. I knew that this was coming. My dad and I were gonna build a luggage rack, but we might not have to now. That's exciting. Thank you so much, Trey. Yes, that's gonna make it so much easier. I've got like a can I'm gonna put on the back. Yeah, that's gonna be great. Thank you so much, Trey. Okay, and then I got a litter. So it's a nice little card and it says, thanks so much. The phrase is simple and the words are few, but behind them is a whole lot of appreciation. From Mike. Thank you, Mike. And Mike wrote me a letter. And Mike sent me a donation, which is very nice. Thank you, Mike. So he says, hey, Angel, I've been enjoying your videos for a while and you seem like someone who could use a hand up. So here's $100 for the Red Rider Parts Fund. I've always been involved with service work and I find myself in a position where I like to and can give young people that I feel are deserving a hand up, not a handout. I know all too well from doing 8 years of podcasts how hard it can be to get content out there regularly, that plus building bikes and whatever else you do to support yourself, and I do admire your bikes. I had a 78 SR500, the street version of the TT500 and XT500. You have the smaller versions. I voted for your bike at Shovelfest not because it's yours, but because you deserved it. It deserved it. Watching your broken down video at Dreamcycle reminded me of being stranded a few times, once on the island in Bowser and another long wet night in Hope many years ago. Anyways, keep on riding, wrenching, and we'll catch you out there somewheres on 2. Caribou Harley Rider on YouTube. Thank you so much, Mike. Every little bit helps. Like, it honestly does. These Yamahas are going to be requiring some money soon. So I thank you so much for that. Thanks, Mike, and thank you everybody else. Now back to editing. So thank you all again, and like always, my lovely YouTube people, if you like what you see, or if you just like me, or even if you don't like me but you like my bikes, then like, comment, subscribe to all those things you guys do, and like always, I will catch you all on the flip side. Peace. I hope that's why we're here. Hope we are here because we love bikes, and maybe me a little bit. This freaking mic. Not having a good hair day, so just don't even look at the hair. Okay, and of course my camera dies as soon as I'm about to open things. My hair is just so annoying right now. I feel like I can lower, ouch. Something from someone in Williams Lake, BC. I'm not gonna say that.